Hey everyone, Victoria
everyone.
here from
Hi.
Credit Fix Solutions with the lovely Heather Zhang.
Hello
I'm sure
everyone.
all of you know Heather, and I'm actually here today just catching up with Heather and talking all things business, which has been great. Thank you. Heather even bought me a little gift, which was very nice, but that is the generous nature of you in general, so we love that. Thank you. Yeah. So I was just sitting here with Heather, and she's got actually a really cool little fun fact to share with you, which we thought we'd put out on social media.
Excellent. Working in the mortgage industry for over 10 years, my little tip is before you say no to any cases and deals, try to find out whether there's a solution for your client, whether they are credit impaired that you can go to Vic to have it fixed, or if they can't get a loan right now, speak to us. We might find you alternative lending solution.
So there you go, all in one basket, all the solutions that you need, whether you're credit impaired or not. Love it.
Absolutely.
Anyway, so have a lovely day, peeps, and thanks for listening.
See ya. Bye.